which liquid inside the cylinder piston upwards. The process involves two pistons that are connected by oil-filled pipe. The force generated by two pistons. Thank you, sir.
Start. हाँ देख क्या कंट्रोल आएंगे देख रहे थे
Thank you, everyone.
Namta Safi. Welcome to the computer lab. We are making computer lab because it is a very important for us. We can work on the computer and learn many things in school. In computer lab, we are made chair, table, keyboard, computer, CPU, mouse, and stabilizer. We can work very fastly and smartly. Thanks for listening me and carefully.
And smooth. This is a speed controller, this is a motor, and this is a transistor. Actually, we are not use water because this is a safety model and this project works on electricity. Thank you.
In this Newton disc, with the segment of 7 different colors with viewer, when the disc is rotated, they face to white color. Thank you.
This create electricity and this pollution free and renewable resource.
Firstly, we make this software for anti-colonial. This is work on the pressure, current pressure, which is concept of the physics. I share this mic with my project maker, Dimanshu.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Devan Sagwa. It is a smart park. We generate electricity with 3 matter. First of all, we hammer into a spring. We generate electricity. Number 2, we rotate a wheel. We generate electricity. Number 3, we run into a belt. We generate all the electricity stored into a control room. If a person comes into a society, not permission, sensor is on. And also, and a rainwater system sensor. All the members in the society alert key rainwater and the water collect into tank or use into the futures.
Good morning, everyone. And it is worked with the hydraulic process like
Its name is Bicycle. In this we will see fathers and old exhibitions, memories, buildings, teachers, founders, movie melds. So try it and take a look and tell me how it is.
नहीं सही करके बचपन में देखे थे आप लोग बच्चों ने बनाया चलो बहुत अच्छा वास्तव में बहुत अच्छा है आपको बताइए अच्छा है आप भी देखिए बचपन की याद आ रही वास्तव में एक साल
Good morning, ma'am and sir. I am Sheena along with my team members Anjali, Alifsha and Madina made a beautiful biology project named the types of irrigation in farming. Firstly, I would like to thank you our respected principal sir and manager ma'am who gave us this wonderful opportunity. With your permission, may I explain our project? Thank you. This is tube well. A tube well is a type of water well in which a long 100 to 120 millimeter stainless steel pipe is bored into an underground aquifer. The lower end is fitted with an strainer and this might This is working model. This is very easy to use. This is drip irrigation. In a drip irrigation, water is directly supplied to the crop. This is working model. This is work like this. This is non-working model. This work with the help of solar panel, solar energy. I hope you like it. Thank you. Hey everyone. Welcome to the Innovation, Arts, Cultural and Science exhibition of our school. I am Gilzan Nasir of class 11th A and these are my classmates.
Good morning everyone. Here is Afia Aslam from class 5.
Good morning everyone. I am Shady from A class 11. Good morning everyone. I am Neera Nazri from class 11A. Good morning everyone. I am Ella from class 11A. We are all making today elephant toothpaste. But sir, before starting, I would like to give my regards to my chemistry teacher, Sir Mr. Sanjeev Sherawat, who assigned us this project and helped us throughout the project. So ma'am, would you like to give us permission to enlighten your mind on the knowledge of this experiment? So sir, making elephant toothpaste is just very simple. We only need 4 ingredients. First we need hydrogen peroxide. Here I have almost 200 ml of hydrogen peroxide. Next we need potassium permanganate, which I almost have 3 to 4 grams. Next we need soap, so we are using shampoo and any food color. So I mix the food color with the shampoo, you all can see. Next we are going to make a solution of potassium permanganate. So I am going to add water to the potassium permanganate. Next I have here hydrogen peroxide. Now I am going to add this shampoo of food color in the hydrogen peroxide. So now I am going to add this both solutions together. It's called elephant toothpaste because of this huge amount of foam coming out of it. It is a highly exothermic reaction because you all can see the heat vapors coming out of it. Thank you ma'am. Thank you for
which is prepared under the guidance of Mr. Sanjeev Sherawat. He is a chemistry PhD in Fatherson Public School. So let's start the magic of indicator. In this beaker, we have a simply NaOH solution. When we transfer this solution in these glasses to different color is here, like that. This red color transferred to this beaker, which color will form? Sir, can you assume?
Sir, can you assume? Ma'am, can you assume?
Okay. What happened? No color is formed. Ma'am, please, you can try.
Sir, you can try, please.
Ma'am, please, you can try. Sir, please, you can try.
कलर ही साफ हो गया।
Ma'am, please, you can try.
अच्छा
Sir, please.
So this is magic.
What should we do now? All the color are disappear. Okay, no problem. Let's go ahead. Again, lovely pink color is appear. When we transfer this pink color to this beaker, which color is formed?
Sir, can you assume? Okay.
No color will form. Okay, let's go ahead. How to make a dark color in this our daily life? You can see. This is a yellow color, and we convert this yellow color to blue color. This is a magic of chemistry. These types of color you can our daily life as a paint and dye.
प्रोजेक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन फ्रॉम स्पीड ब्रेकर, जो इसके एडवांटेज हैं वो आपको शेयर बनवा बताएंगे।
A great solution for energy crisis. If implemented for beneficial government, it saves a lot of money.
कार निकल कर जाएंगी तो यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होगी। थैंक यू सर।
Good morning everyone, this is vacuum cleaner. This is very useful. This is clean, really help to clean the dust.
कैसे दिखा कैसे साफ होगी मान गए डस्ट साफ हो जाए
Welcome to the science exhibition. I am Raksha Tasneem from Standard 12 and I am going to represent this working model, that is electricity from rainwater harvesting, with my classmates under the guidance of Mr. Sanjeev Shahrawat sir. So this model, in this model, rainwaters come into this tank, the water is collected and then water flows through a turbine, and that turbine converts the water into electricity, that is known as hydroelectricity, and they will show how it works. The electricity is generated. Thank you. Which is given to the kidney patient who has lost the 90% efficiency of the kidney working, or ultrafiltration rate is less than the 15%. For dialysis, doctor has to make an injury on the hand. Here artery is coming out to take the blood in the dialyzer. Here is the motor which gives an external pressure to the blood. Here is the dialyzer which works as an artificial kidney, in which we have a semi-permeable membrane to maintain a pH level of blood. Here is the U-dialysate, in which we have a urea and nitrogenous waste. Here is the fresh dialysate which is provided to the dialyzer. For here artery is taking out to the blood to the dialyzer, and the filtered blood is coming back to the vein. Thank you.
I am Anshika Chauhan from Standard 12, representing this project with my classmates under the guidance of Mr. Sanjeev Shahrawat sir. Please allow us to show you our periodic table. Hania is going to describe S and P block elements, and Alisha is going to describe T and F block elements.
Good morning. S block element. The element of group first and group second of the modern periodic table are called S block element. There are 14 elements in S block. P block element. P block element start from the 13th group and goes till the 18th group of the modern periodic table. There are 35 elements in P block. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. These are D block elements. The D block elements start from group 3rd and ends at group 12. These are total 36 elements present in the modern periodic table. These are F block elements. These are total 14 elements present in the bottom of the modern periodic table. Thank you for patiently listening.
It converts kinetic energy into useful mechanical energy, and it only depicts the working of wind.
We know that मॉडल है जो इसे बस दिखाता है कि ये विंडमिल ऐसे वर्क करती है। ये वह नहीं है जैसे आम विंडमिल करती है। इसमें हमने लाइट लगाई है और ये रोटेटर लगाए हैं जो इससे रिबन बनाते हैं, और इससे बहुत सारे फायदे भी हैं। जो पॉजिटिव जो सब्सटेंस रहते हैं वो नहीं होते हैं इनसे, और 1% जो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है वो विंडमिल से होती है।
Welcome to Culture, Art and Science Exhibition. My name is Bilal Naseem. I studied in class 10th. We have we made this project under the guidance of Mr. Sandeep sir. This project
The water level indicator employs a simple mechanism to detect and indicate the water level in overhead tanks or any other containers. It avoids seepage on rooftops and wall due to overflow tanks. We made this project under the guidance of Mr. Sandeep sir. सर ये जो है इसके साथ बिना वायर के इसके बीच में वो ये इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड जनरेट होती है ना, जल्दी कनेक्ट करो लाइट बिना वायर के। थैंक यू।
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. And I'm Afifa Nasir. I'm representing this project of 12C, and we have made a smart crop protection system. As you can see, there is a farm field in which we have shown how the animal when the animal enters the field, they damage the crops and it causes a lot of damage to the farmers. It destroys their livelihood. There are 85% small and marginal farmers and they can't afford technology. They have to guard their fields and it wastes a lot of time. So this is a laser light sensor. Whenever the animal enters the field, it will beep and Charles will explain you the working of this model.
I will show you all of you working of this model. If an animal cross the boundary of this sensor, it will start beeping.
This is we made this product under the guidance of Mr. Sandeep sir. This is earthquake alarm. Earthquake alarm is a warning system of ground shaking during an earthquake. It's take few days under the ground shaking. It's then primary waves comes, then vibration is over. And then that the rain detector is automatically trigger on alarm and alert. In the world full of automation, everyone wants to stay smart and productive. With the water harvesting, then we also achieve this with the help of automation. This is a rain detector alarm and Hamza can work.
I will show you touch the blades, alarm beep, and all we know that rain is running outside. So we make necessary actions like save the rainwater for further use and save our some important materials like clothes and stores which is laid outside the home. Thank you, sir.
So let's we talk about the melting of glacier. Melting of glacier because of increasing of temperature of the earth and the climatic changes. Concentration of carbon dioxide and the deforestation of plants, fossil fuels. These are the human activities which are causes from the melting of the glaciers. Sorry, ma'am.
ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ എല്ലാവരെയും സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. കേരളം ഒരു ചെറിയ സംസ്ഥാനമാണ്. കേരളത്തിന്റെ തലസ്ഥാനം തിരുവനന്തപുരമാണ്. Don't be too much confused. Here's another girl who will explain you all in our comfortable language.
Good morning, thank you, and greetings to everyone gathered over here on the occasion of Science Exhibition and Children's Day. As we know, Kerala is known as lands of coconut, but do you ever try to wonder why Kerala is known as lands of coconut? Not a big deal, I'm here to tell you. As you know, in today's era, Kerala is producing roughly 45% of India's coconut, which is very beneficial for our health. And also, Kerala is one of the most prominent tourist destination in India with coconut lime, sandy beaches, backwaters, hill stations, and tropical greenery as its major attractions. So let's taste some food stalls which is heart of Kerala, and this is first is our appam. It is a type of pancake made with fermented rice, batter and coconut milk, which is very common in Kerala as we knew earlier.
Monica ma'am, serve one more plate.
The coconut water is new health obsession because it is cholesterol free, less in sugar, rich in mineral, calcium, magnesium.
Rangoli marks with the beginning of the beautiful festival of Onam. On this celebration, all the Malayalam families all over the world decorate their home with fresh flowers and vibrant colors, as you can see here. In this, it is thought that it brings prosperity, good luck, and so many things, as you can see here. And Shanku Pushpam is the most popular flower which is used in Kerala in flower rangoli, and it means a lot for the people of Kerala. Thank you.
बहुत मेहनत की है बच्चों ने क्या बनाया है भैया
ये बैच का प्रोजेक्ट है कोफिशिएंट ऑफ वेरिएशन on statistics.
अच्छा
This is the project of math coefficient of variation on statistics. Here A1 and B1 are the two batsmen and these are the runs scored by both the batsmen. And here we are finding the coefficient of variation of both the batsmen. Here we can clearly see that coefficient of variation of A1 is 3.0768 and coefficient of variation of batsman B1 is 3.0427. And clearly because coefficient of variation of A1 is greater than coefficient of variation of B1, therefore batsman B is more consistent. And these are the thank you.
अंदर से ही आया
तो आपने पहली क्वेश्चन के गलत बताई है 22 सही है एन सही है 22 बताया था मैंने नहीं आपने नंबर नहीं बताया आपसे गलत नहीं होगी हाँ क्योंकि इसमें ये गलत हाँ
आप गलत नहीं हो सकते ये कंफर्म है बिकॉज इट्स मैथमेटिक्स
डेट ऑफ बर्थ डेट ऑफ टाइम और एक कैलकुलेशन और भी है वो भी चल रही है डेट ऑफ
अरे वो मत बताओ
एक डिजिट चेक करो
First digit, yes. First digit, yes. No.
Not on. Code not on.
Second digit. No.
Some mathematics. ना ज्योतिष नहीं मैडम. It's still mathematical calculation.
No.
हमारा कोई जादू नहीं है.
Yes.
ये सब कर रहा है हमारी कैलकुलेशन.
Yes.
आप बताइए और बताइए. ये बच्चों को सिखाया है.
No.
थर्ड डिजिट मेरे से बनाया है.
Third digit.
Search.
No. Yes. 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 No.
We have made this project to show how the planets revolve around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Solar system consists of Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Here you can see the planets are revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit because the sun gravity pulls the planet in orbit.
Pratap Singh of class 10C. We prepared this project in the guidance of Mr. Chandmadi sir. Here you can see if we need to find the height of any large object, we use the concept of height and distance. As an example, I made this project. This is a rocket and we find an angle making at the top of the tower. This angle is also known as angle of elevation, which made by the protector at the top of the tower. As a result,
हाँ वही आ रहा है भाई साहब
you can see AB is a rocket which is height. We need to find the height of this rocket, and AC is the angle of elevation making by this protector, and angle theta is tan 55 making by the angle of elevation by this headlight, and this is the base. This is known as base is what 41 centimeter. We have a formula for finding the height of this rocket. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, and tan theta is what? Tan 55. Theta is 55. So we use a 1.4281, which is the value of tan theta 55. And this is the AB. We need to find the height of rocket. And upon BC, 41 centimeter. You here can see it is 41 centimeter. It is a formula. AB upon 41 centimeter BC. And BC is divisible now going to 8.5221 centimeter. We find that. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
My name is Aryan Nagara for class 7th B. My project name is LCM and SCF. Sir, you choose one question in 5. कोई भी एक क्वेश्चन चूज कर लीजिए इनमें से.
Please, sir. What to choose? मतलब any digit or?
बस एक कोई आप फिंगर रख दीजिए, इस तरह से किसी क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करके बताएंगे.
नंबर है 24. तो LCM of 284 is 24. Thank you, sir.
A very warm welcome to you one and all. I am Sutakshi Chaudhary from Standard 9th. Standing here to represent our project. These are my group mates, Apeksha Tomar, Avni Chauhan, Prapti Shekhawat, Pari Chauhan and Gracie Chauhan. We made a project that is biogeochemical cycles and environment. So what does the word biogeochemical means? It means the movement of nutrients in the living and non-living in the component of an ecosystem. First of all, we made a water cycle. As you can see here, it is water cycle, and water plays a very important and vital role in the biosphere. First of all, there is a process called evaporation. It means the liquid change into water vapor with the help of sun. Second, condensation. It means the water vapor then finally change into liquid. And the third and last project is precipitation. It means when the air meets the cloud, it happens rain, and due to the rainfall. Second project is oxygen cycle. As we can see,
हमारे राज्य में
So basically, firstly, it is a Gandhi Nagar. It is a very famous in Gujarat. How it is, ma'am?
हाँ बेटा, मैम ने वो पूछा, उसको बताया आपने क्यों रखा है? Just tell मैम.
It is a salt location. It is located in Gujarat. In Gujarat, salt is very famous. Yes, salt lake. Come in this side.
मैम को?
Yes, ma'am.
इधर. थोड़ा सा
बच्चे बना के लाना जैसे बेटा अपनी मम्मी से रेडी कराया
बेटे बच्चों का बनाया हुआ कोई चीज़ आर्टिफिशियल नहीं, सारा स्कूल में बैठ के बनाया।
Do you know now that International Kite Festival Day is celebrated in Gujarat on 12 January every year? And you have seen flying so many festivals on so many festivals, or even on a normal day. So you are thinking, so why do you go to Gujarat? But let me tell you that this is a sight that will leave you speechless. Lion in its natural habitat, and it is also home of 40 species of humans and 425 species of birds.
Sir, please come, we will show you Sabarmati Ashram. Sir, it is the village side. And sir, that is a statue. And interestingly, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was often called as Iron Man of India. मैं सदन में यह बात रखना चाहता हूँ, जब मैं सदन में जम्मू कश्मीर राज्य बोलूँ तब पाक ऑक्युपाई और कश्मीर एक्ट से जिन दोनों इसका हिस्सा है, और हमारे संविधान ने जो जम्मू कश्मीर की सीमाएं तय की है, और जम्मू कश्मीर के संविधान ने जो जम्मू कश्मीर की सीमाएं तय की हैं, उसके अंदर पाक ऑक्युपाई और एक्ट से जिन दोनों समाहित है। मैं अग्रेसिव हूँ कि आप जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों को जम्मू कश्मीर का हिस्सा नहीं मानते क्या? अग्रेसिव ना हो, जान दे देंगे इसके लिए। मैं अपनी सोच भी बदलता हूँ, मैं अपना नजरिया भी बदलता हूँ। बदलता नहीं कुछ तो मैं अपना लक्ष्य नहीं बदलता हूँ, उसे पाने का पक्ष नहीं बदलता हूँ। हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी और उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री जी के सिद्धांतों को इन पंक्तियों से बेहतर और कोई नहीं समझ पाएगा।
मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, आज मध्य रात्रि यानी 8 नवंबर 2016 की रात्रि को 12 बजे से वर्तमान में जारी 500 रुपए व 1000 रुपए की करेंसी नोट लीगल स्टैंडर्ड नहीं रहेंगे, यानी ये मुद्राएं कानूनन अमान्य होंगी। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, sir. I am representing physics project. It is a smoke absorber. We can use it by absorbing smoke. It works by it takes air from it. यहाँ से एयर लेगा। हमने इसमें फिल्टर भी जोड़ा है, तो वो जो एयर को फिल्टर कर सकता है। हम वैसे तो हम चिमनी भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक चिमनी होती हैं, पर वो जो है एनवायरनमेंट में सारी एयर पॉल्यूशन कर देती हैं। पर इसको हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ये फिल्टर कर देगा। ये हम नहीं कहते कि 100% करेगा, पर काफ़ी हद तक पॉल्यूशन कम कर देगा। थैंक यू सर।
बेटा
Good noon everyone, myself Zana Fazil and we are standing here to show my project which is based on reflection of light. As we all know, light is a form of energy which we use to see the object, and the straight line along with them is called ray of light. Now I show you how the light reflects. Now I have taken a box which have white background and also fitted mirror in bottom and also has a screen. When we open the light, the light ray reflect on the mirror, and the straight line which reflect the mirror are called reflection of light. The process through which the light ray reflect on the surface or reflect is called reflection of light. It is a kaleidoscope which works on the principle of multiple reflection. Basically, it's considered a three-plane mirror at the angle of 16 degrees to one another and form prism. These mirrors are shown as a symmetrical geometrical pattern. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Subha Sadiq. I and my team explain these things. We make a brain with the help of clay and heart with the help of clay also. This is firstly we take a foil and then we take clay on it and then we color it. The coloring and the decoration is done by Ariba and my all team members. Thank you, sir.
Next, beta, please.
Good afternoon, sir. I, Tufan Hafiz, on the behalf of our school and group, welcomes you to our Cultural Science and Art exhibition. So today, as you can see, I am present here to explain how day and night occurs with the help of our model provided by Namrana, Mahajabina, and fourth one is obviously me, under the guidance of respected Mr. Azhar sir. As you can see here, basically day and night occurs due to the rotation of the earth. Earth rotates at any instance like this, the surface facing towards the sun is having day and the surface facing towards the moon is having night. Earth completes its one rotation in nearly about 24 hours. As you can see, I have also mentioned some facts here. In this facts, one fact states that Earth completes its one rotation in 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds, which makes up 365 and 1/4 days of a year. And this 1/4 day makes up the 366th day of the leap year. Thank you, sir.
This is volcano. A volcano is a mountain where the surface. A volcano is a mountain where the molten rocks, acids and gases erupts and through the surface of the earth. When a volcano erupts, lava, gas and acids. Gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and water vaporization. And then the volcano erupts. The lava flow and destroy everything in it.
About my project, the sprinkle irrigation system. The sprinkle irrigation system can be used agriculture, industrial and residential uses. It can be used in sufficient areas what is not available as well as sandy soil. It is suitable for almost all type of soil. Thank you.
This is epidermis tissue. Outermost layer of your skin. It is mainly 3 parts. Number 1 is epidermis and second is dermis and third one is fatty layer. It is produced oil and it is product of your skin, harmful effect and grow in new skins.
So it's an automatic street light, you can see here. First of all, this is a circuit LDR, light dependent resistor, and we use 2 resistor, 1K ohm and 2 transistor and 9 volt battery. And आपने देखा होगा स्ट्रीट लाइट्स रोड्स पर रहती है, बट वो दिन में तो बंद हो जाती है, डे में, बट नाइट में ऑन हो जाती है ऐसे. सो उनके लिए मतलब कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग की हमें रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है और ना ही रहता है कि वो ऑन करे, आए और ऑफ करे. वो ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाती है, ऑटो प्रोसेस होता है हमारा. सो कैसे होता है, ये LDR हमारा वर्क करता है, यही मेन कंपोनेंट होता है. जैसे ही हमारा LDR पे होता है तो LDR हमारा लाइट LDR पर गिरती है तो LDR वर्क नहीं कर पाता है. LDR बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्लो हो जाता है तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को सही से ट्रांसफर नहीं कर पाता है. और जैसे ही होता है इवनिंग होती रहेगी, सनसेट हो जाएगा तो LDR हमारा वर्क करना स्टार्ट कर देगा. सो इसका एडवांटेजेस बहुत है. सबसे पहला एडवांटेज तो ये कि हमें कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि ऑटो प्रोसेस हो रहा है. और सो ये बहुत ज़्यादा लो कॉस्ट भी है और मतलब हम इसको सेव भी कर सकते हैं एनर्जी को. और ये सिक्योर भी है, सेफ्टी भी है, इसमें कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक या फिर करंट वगैरह
Present here, I am hardly inviting and welcoming you to all our art and science exhibition. So myself Shabnur, on the behalf of our team, on my project hydroponic farming, we are 5 members in our team. Jia Lamba, Mahi Chaudhary, Lavjeet Kaur, Sidra Salim, and I am also. We are so thankful and helped me a lot for my biological teacher Mr. Azhar sir, who helped me and guided me a lot for completing our project science. So it's hydroponic farming. It's called without the soil. Hydroponic, their experiment. Water can supply their plants. After it is supplies of plants and their roots, nutrition in their roots and plants. After that is plants are grown faster than soil. Plants are grown faster than soil and healthy in their roots, and because they do not any fight of soil-borne diseases. Hydroponic is also called aquaculture, nutriculture and soil-borne diseases. The cultivation of plants with or without the mechanical support of sand, gravel, fertile. 90% efficiency of their water.
Welcome to the Innovation, Culture, Art and Science exhibition. I am Lubana Asif from class 10A and my team members are standing in here, Yasmin, Anisha, Seher and Hadia, to represent in our project Human Eye. Firstly, the light enters to the eye, convex lens present in the eye lens, and retina where images are formed. The images are from left right to inverted to the back of light. It is an optic nerve. It's connect the brain, eye to brain. It helps to signal carry eye to brain and images are formed. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.
From standard 9th and they are my project mates Fiza Hassan, Javariya Matloob, Riya Tyagi and Aliya Hassan. So we made this project under the guidance of Mr. Azhar sir and Mr. Sandeep sir. So firstly I would like to explain you what is artificial satellite and its importance in our everyday lives. So basically etc. So we made this artificial satellite with the help of some waste materials like the bottle of glue, cardboard, etc. And we try to represent the earth with the help of a plastic ball. And we made the earth rotate with the help of a crystal rotating ball. So thank you so much. I hope you Good noon sir, good noon ma'am. We are a team of 6 members. I am Rashi Tyagi. I am Apeksha Rawat. I am Alkasha Noor. I am Alisha Nasir. We made this project under the supervision of Mr. Rahul Dev Sharma. Our project is sound can make a light spot dance. So here is a hollow pipe over which we stretched a balloon and the light is reflecting on the mirror on the screen through this mirror. When sound passes through this hollow pipe, the stretched balloon vibrates, leading to the vibration in the mirror, which causes movement in the light spot.
Hello, 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 hello.
This is how sound can make a light spot dance. Thank you.
I am Mohammad Hamza and my teammates have been working on this project of reflection and art, and my name is Mohammad Hamza and our teammates name is Yashi, Afifa, Ilma and Rosie. So we have made this project of reflection and art and I will explain you about this project. So I have tried to illustrate the process when it touches a hot plate unknowingly. So our receptors of hand sends signals through sensory neuron to the spinal cord, and in response our spinal cord sends messages or signals to effector organ through motor neuron. So our hand removes immediately when we touches a hot plate. So I will show you practically how this happens. So is this how our hand removes when it touches a hot plate? Thank you so much.
To the innovation of culture, art and science exhibition. Here I am Adiba representing you the model. This is digestive system. They all are my group members. Please.
I am Leba.
I am Rayyan.
Under the guidance of Mr. Azhar sir, I can make this. This is a digestive system. Digestion is started with the mouth, and in the mouth we can chew the food and mix with the saliva, and the tongue push the food into the food pipe. Food pipe is also known as esophagus. Then food goes to the stomach. Stomach is produce the hydrochloric acid that kills the bacteria in the food and makes the food acidic. Then goes to the small intestine. Small intestine receive the secretion to the liver and pancreas. Liver secretes the bile juice, and bile juice digests the fats, and pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice digests the carbohydrate and fat. Then comes to the small intestine. Small intestine have a finger-like projection called villi. Villi absorb the digested food. Then comes to the large intestine. Large intestine absorb the water from the undigested food. Then large intestine I got to the anus. Thank you very much.
I am Sakshi.
I am Rafia.
Under the guidance of Azhar sir, he is the biological teacher. We breathe the oxygen through the nostril. Nostril goes the oxygen through nasal cavity. Nasal cavity is open with nasopharynx, and nasopharynx is open with and connected with pharynx, and pharynx is also connected with epiglottis. Epiglottis is also connected with larynx. It is a sound box commonly called that sound is produced, and larynx is also connected with tracheas, and tracheas is also connected with bronchus. Bronchus is give a vascular bag-like structure called alveoli, and alveoli contain pleura. Pleura is the fluid that helps double membrane of lungs. This is explanation part is complete, and working model is shown by the team members of Sakshi and Rafia. This is the process of breathing to inhale the oxygen from atmosphere and exhale the carbon dioxide of waste product like carbon dioxide. So Mr. Azhar sir with my teammates
I am Urvashi. I am Jeeva. I am Gania. I am Mansi.
I am Farazi Sheikh.
First of all, I would like to tell about what are the functions of our arms and muscles and how it's work. Our arms and muscles is very important for any activities which requires big movements. And muscles contain two types of protein. This is our muscles which contain two types of protein, actin and myosin. When actin and myosin are combined, muscles comes into contraction. This is the diagrammatic view. And the stimulation of the nerve system, muscles comes into relaxation. This is also the diagrammatic view of the muscles relaxation. We can see here that our hand consists of three types of bones: humerus, radius and ulna. Humerus is the upper bone of our arm which provides support to our shoulder and located in our shoulder and elbow. And radius located between the forearm which provides the supination and pronation, which means the upward and downward orientation of our arms and muscles. And ulna provides the elbow joint and nerves running and located also in the forearm. By this overall process we starts to move our hand by pumping the oxygen in our muscles. We can show that practically.
Practically it is working as the muscles are working.
Thank you very much.
Main our framework of our body. The skull, which have facial, 8 facial bones and 14 cranium. This is known as total 22 bones in our skull. This is mandible, which is jaw bones, and the sternum. There are 12 pairs of ribs, in which 7 are true ribs, in which 3 are false ribs, because they are totally connected with the sternum. This is known as breastbone. And there are 2 pair of floating ribs. This is spine. It is 33 in numbers. And this is the largest or strongest bone in our body. It is known as femur. This is kneecap, patella, and they are the legs bone, which is tarsal and phalanges. And last one is distal. Thank you for explanation.
Myself Madhya Zadi from class 12A, and I just want to describe you the functioning of 4-chamber heart. As you can see, 4-chamber heart consists 4 chambers. 2 upper chamber are known as right atriums, and 2 lower are known as ventricle. So firstly, deoxygenated blood from our body comes into the right atrium by the help of vena cava. This is the vena cava. And from this ventricle, it will goes into right ventricle by the help of tricuspid valves. And from this ventricle, blood will goes into the lungs for purification. And after this, blood will comes into the left atrium by the help of pulmonary veins. And after that, it will goes into the left ventricle by the help of bicuspid valve. So basically, these valves allow flow of blood only in one direction, which is also a very essential part of our human, circulatory system. And from this left ventricle, blood will flow into the whole body by the help of aorta. And yeah, that's all for 4-chamber heart. Hope you like it. And for further information, now Sonia will give you explanation of 3-chamber.
So first, this heart is mainly divided into 3 chambers, as you can see, the 2 upper chambers and the lower chamber. So let us see how the blood flow is. So first, the deoxygenated blood comes into the right atrium, and the oxygenated blood comes into the left atrium, and collectively these atriums contract and goes the heart into the ventricles. Now the ventricle contracts and pump the whole blood into the whole body, or this type of circulation is called double circulation. Hope you like it. चलो भाई
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह मैं तो सारे का स्वागत करती हूँ I pray God are going to be very helpful, welcoming and proud people. They welcome everyone with open heart because here guests are considered like God. That's why all over the world people admire this patient and hospitable attitude of Punjabis. आप ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਦੇ ਵਿਆਹ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
ਉਹ ਬਾਰੇ ਬਰਸੇ ਖੱਟਣ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਖੱਟ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਉਹ ਬਾਰੇ ਬਰਸੇ ਖੱਟਣ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਖੱਟ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੱਜਦਾ ਨੱਚੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਪਿਓ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੱਜਦਾ ਨੱਚੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਪਿਓ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੱਜਦਾ ਨੱਚੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਪਿਓ बरसे कटन गया से खट गले.
Now I would like to tell you about the Golden Temple. This is the holy place of Sikhs. As you know, this is not only the unity and brotherhood. This is our Dabasa where 5 Banis are worshipped in the morning. Main symbols of Sikhs are Ek Onkar and Khanda.
एक ओ अंकार यानी कि वो खुदा वो परमात्मा वो एक है. कोई बोले राम राम, कोई खुदाए, कोई सिवे गुसैया, कोई अल्लाह है, पर वो है एक कोई. खंडा इट इज स्पिरिचुअल फ्रीडम. एक ट्रायंगुलर शेप दा हुंदा वा. पंज प्यारे बेकसारा यार शाह शहनशाह गुरु गोबिंद सिंह ने सन 1699 ਦੀ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਿਨ ਸਜਾਏ ਸੀ. ਇੱਥੋਂ ਹੀ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਪਾਨ ਦੀ ਦਾਤ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਈ. ਅੱਗੇ ਚੱਕੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਟਾ ਪਾਵਾਂਗੇ.
Ma'am, this is the court where the girls are sitting together and speaking with each other.
बेटे बात करके बताओ जरा किस तरह से बात कर रहे थे आप लोग.
बातें करो.
बताओ तो जरा.
मतलब कि वहाँ पे
ना अपनी भाषा में बोलो ना.
बोलो बेटा.
अच्छा बोलो.
वेरी टेस्टी. वेरी
किਵੇਂ ਲੱਗਾ?
अच्छा लगा.
बहुत अच्छी तैयारी. थैंक यू मैम.
मैम कम साग मक्का दी रोटी डिलीशियस फूड ऑफ पंजाब.
अच्छा.
Going on rickshaw. This is the bride. This is the children.
बड़े आराम से बैठे.
Bride is wearing bangles before marriage. The bride is chosen by the bride's maternal uncle and aunt. They present chura to the bride during the chura ceremony. During the chura ceremony.
बैठे नहीं करेगा. मैम जुतियाँ दे दो. मैम जुतियाँ दे दो. मैम अच्छे लगे मैम ये वाले.
वैसे ले लो. मनी तो गाड़ी में रखी आई.
कोई बात नहीं मैम.
भाभी लेंगे. क्या भाभी मुझे नहीं पहनने जाते.
I am Arif welcoming you in the Innovation of Culture and Art exhibition on the behalf of my team. So we have prepared a project on the topic of polluting-free agents and we are representing to our town which is known as Idle Town. So here comes Priyanshu for the explanation of the town.
First of all, I would like to tell you the management of the project. That is 1/4 part of the project is of sewage water treatment plant and the rest is based on electrical energy produced by windmill. The energy produced by windmill is further go into this power station and is converted into electricity, which is further going to the city and city brings up. Now for the remaining explanation, I call Tanishka.
As you all know, cities and towns have sewage system to clean sewage waters. This process goes through various stages. Then the first stage is receiving tank. Receiving tank have the sewage water, the waste water, and it goes to second chamber, which is grit chamber. The grit chamber have the stones and pebbles settle down at the bottom, and it goes to next chamber where oil and grease settle down at the bottom. Then it goes to aeration chamber. Aeration chambers have aerobic bacteria in water that cleans the water and kills bacteria. Then it goes to disinfection chamber where the sludge is produced and used for making humus and manure. Disinfection chamber, then the water get cleaned with chlorine and the phosphorus compounds like nitrogen and bacteria get killed and it cleans the water. Thank you so much. Here comes Alfia for the conclusion.
The three sources are renewable, the three sources are polluting-free agents, and the project cost a little bit but is effective for many years. Thanking you for joining us.
Namaskar, I am Alfia and I am Rohan presenting my project under the guidance of Mr. Sandeep sir. Firstly, I want to tell you what is solar power. Solar power is a pollution-free and causes no green gases to emission after installation. Next is Solar City. Solar City is a web-based installation that consists household building municipal author evaluated process for generating electricity using
solar photovoltaic system. Next is Solar Village. Solar Village is dedicated to creating and supporting.
And welcome to the Innovation of Art, Science and Culture exhibition. I'm heartily welcoming you all. So, myself Vanshika Gupta on the behalf of my teammates, and we are 6 members in my team. Today I'm going to tell you about our project Transportation in Plants, and I'm very pleased to give the presentation of our project. And I'm also very thankful to my sir, my biology teacher, who helped us and guided us a lot for the completion of our project. So this is our project on the topic transportation in plants. As you can see, the blue color is the xylem doing the transportation of waters and minerals from roots to leaves. After this process, the leaf shows the process of photosynthesis to prepare the food for all the other parts of the plants. And now, as you can see, the red color is the food prepared by the leaves, and the food prepared by the leaf is transported by the phloem to other parts of the plant. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. Welcome to our Innovation Art, Cultures and Science exhibition on the behalf of Fatherson Public School. Sir, I am Ifat of class 12 and Afia are going to describe about the innovation project volcano eruption. So really we were unknown about this project, but this gave an ideas to make this project. Usually Mr. Sanjeev Sahrawat, sir. In this project, we have prepared a mixture of ENO plus water. And this mixture of shampoo, water,
कोई बात नहीं बेटे, आराम से करो।
this is enough.
Yeah, that is how the.
And I am Alvira Sheikh. Here are my team members. And this our project to Mr. Shurib Tap Singh sir. Thankful for him for giving us such a golden opportunity for make this project. Present this project. Firstly, I'm going to telling you about the step farming. In hill step farming, also known as stairs farming, to protect the soil and current water flow on the soil. It is basically a farming practice that incorporate the farming is the series on step on the slope is known as stairs and step farming. Now I will tell you about the method of step farming. Firstly, we have to plugging, as well you can see, and then sowing, adding, and some nutrients we add. Then second thing is irrigation. Then thirdly thing is adding protect the plant. Then harvesting and sowing and storage. Thank you very much.
I will explain कि आजकल हम अपनी लाइफ में इतने बिजी रहते हैं कि हम फॉरेस्ट में जा नहीं पाते हैं, तो हमें थोड़ा नेचुरल फील करने के लिए या थोड़ा रिलीफ करने के लिए हम अपने रूम के पास इसे रख सकते हैं, बेडरूम के मेडिटेशन कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा हैप्पी रह सकते हैं। तो आप जा नहीं पाते, फॉर सेल के लिए बनाया हमने कि ये आप थोड़ा हैप्पी रह सकें, इसको अपने रूम के पास रख के या बेडरूम के पास, गेस्ट रूम के पास थोड़ा हैप्पी रह सकें, मेडिटेशन कर सकें।
Good noon, everybody. I am Avantika Sisodia from Standard 12 of Fatherson Senior Secondary Public School.
I am Madiha. I am Preet Kaur. And there is one more member, Jia. So
I welcome you all in the Innovation, Cultural, Art and Science exhibition. Today we will represent our wonderful model of hydraulic crane, which I prepared with the help of my team.
This, the hose will get down to the object, and once the object will get hooked, we connect the battery to the circuit that will make it move upward and lift it up.